I have LGQ7 and let me show you how to block numbers on this device. Let me also show you how to reject the calls from some private numbers. So at the very beginning, let's use the home screen, use call icon, choose more key and select call settings. Now let's open common section and choose call blocking and decline with messages. So here you can block numbers. Let's just use this plus key and you can add number to block by using contacts, call logs or new number. So if you tap new number, let's just enter the number that you would like to block, tap block, and this number will be blocked. So no calls or no messages will be received from this number. You can also remove this number from this list by using this key. And you may also go back and you can decline with messages. So you can, for example, use the following text. For example, I call you right back right here. You can tap save and you can just decline messages from incoming calls. And you may also here enable this feature, private numbers, and now you will reject all calls from private numbers. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.